Good morning and welcome to Saturday's Thought for the Day, and this is the last Thought for the Day we will be recording from St Mary's, and I am using all the thoughts from the day this week from an app which is called Reflections for Daily Prayer. You can find it in an app store, you can download it to your phone or to your iPad and continue to use that. So I am using this week's reflections from Reflections for Daily Prayer by Stephen Croft. So if you haven't read Saturday's readings, please do so now before we start. Luke chapter 3 verse 3. Then Pilate asked him, "Are you the King of the Jews?" Luke weaves the titles of Jesus into his story of the trial. To us they are full of weight and meaning, channels of grace, names used in prayer and praise to this day. Before the assembly, Jesus is called Son of Man. You can see that in Luke 22 verse 69, and also the Son of God in the following verse. In his trial, Luke makes clear that Jesus is both fully man and fully God. God's very self is present even in the midst of deepest darkness. Before Pilate, Jesus is Messiah, a king, which is translated Christ, the Anointed One in Greek. He is the King of the Jews, although they cannot recognize him. Jesus is the one for whom the Jews have been waiting for generation after generation. His coming is foretold by the prophets. The purpose of his coming is to bring in the reign of God, a reign of justice and peace and joy and hope. These three titles serve a broader purpose at this point in the story. They are more than the charge sheet against Jesus of Nazareth. They remind Luke's readers of who is about to be crucified. The one who is mocked and beaten and will be killed is the Son of Man, the Son of God, the Anointed King. This day, offer Jesus Christ your worship as Son of Man and Son of God, and our Anointed King. Amen. God bless you.